A waterfall of light pours through our crown chakra, pours through every cell of our beings, transforming and healing all that we are working on transforming and healing. This waterfall of light purifies and cleanses us now, and we experience pure, deep transformation, fully healing and releasing anything that stands in our way of divine experience in this moment and in every moment of our lives. This waterfall of light, as it pours through our crown chakra, pours through every cell of our being, also activates at a cellular level all that we are opening to, helping us to experience our unique self right here, right now, full body, full being, experience our unique self so we can express that unique self from this moment forward. We honor this waterfall of light. We walk forward from this space, cleansed and cleared, balanced and restored to pure divine health, body, mind, heart, and spirit, and fully activated in divine self and divine purpose. And so it is. Amen.